So this is our presentation file made with Gamma. Let's export it to PPTX format. As our presentation file is PPTX, so it's being loaded for sometimes while. If it delays some more, you can try to open your Gmail through which Gmail you have logged in to the Gamma. So here is the PPTX. They emailed me. So let's view the PPTX and try to maintain. So now finally it's been downloaded. So if you've been downloading, then you can just check your Gmail, refresh it, and you will get it. So here is our presentation file. It's being opened. Okay, let me open it. So here, look at this. It's showing the Gamma, made with Gamma. So how can we remove this? We just gonna open the Canva. You can search it on www.canva.com. So after here, coming here, I will just drag and drop here. So it will upload here. Let's open our presentation file. So look at this. From here we can just simply click here and we can make it delete. Just have a click and make it delete. Okay. If sometimes it happens just like here. Here is also a Gamma file. So what can we do? We just right click and go to the layer, show layers. Then here is the Gamma. So we have also a Gamma in here, but it is under the image here. So how can we remove this? I have to show the layer, show layers, and then Gamma, make it delete. Okay. You can click to here and also delete another. So that's like from everything, from every here, you can just make it delete. So this is the most easiest way how you can remove the watermark of Gamma. If you like this video, you can make sure that you have liked, and also if you want, you can subscribe for further update. Thank you.